Hello guys, welcome back. I'm now in the option Notion and I'm looking at the phone app. But you can also get it on tablet as well. I'm currently on the iPhone, but you can get it across different formats and various devices. Now, if you look at my previous quick video on using Notion, you can see how intuitive it was and easy to pick up. Same goes with phones and tablets. So you can sync. I've logged in with the same free account and it's synced automatically for me with my information on the left, climate change, to my app on the right. And you can see underneath there, I've got all my information there as well with my different pages organised. So if I scroll down, everything's identical to what you see on the left. Now let me scroll back up. So let's say you want to carry on working on climate change. Now we can add a note here by clicking the plus button or click the three little dots here. You might want to copy the link to somewhere else, remove from your favourites because currently it's in my favourites, top left hand corner here, or move it to a different page. So I'm going to leave it where it is. I'm just going to open it by tapping on it. And there's all my information. So if I come to the left, scroll up on my computer, web browser, you can see how it's identical there as well. Now if I scroll down on the phone app, I've got all the information I added. Now you might want to carry on working on that when you're out and about via your phone or tablet. So easy enough to do. Let's say we want to add a page within this page again. So I want to add a page within climate change. So I'm going to tap into it. See bottom left hand corner is a plus. Tap on plus for me. And again, you've got the basic blocks option. So you can choose precisely how you want to set up your next page by using a template. Now these are like simple, straightforward. You can get better templates if you want pre-done, but these will just get you up running from scratch. So I might want to do next, we've done reading, research in organised time. How about I do let's do a page within a page. So I'm adding another page within climate change. So I'm going to call this, let's say you've got a draft to do on USA. So we'll add that in. And again, I can come down again. I can add another note, another page within a page if you want to work that way. So you could break down your draft. But what I'll do here as a demonstration, I'm going to put introduction. So I've got introduction. And what I'm going to do is I want that to be actually a header. So I'm going to double tap it to highlight it. See at the bottom. See on the right, we could copy, select all, replace. But what I want to do is come to the bottom, click the little arrow. I'm going to select that little option again here. And I'm going to make that heading 1. I can do it that way. Come down, then I could put main body. And again, you get any idea with that. Highlight it. Come to the bottom. Or you could just bold it there if you want, but I'd rather do the heading 2. And then you can do your last, but not least, conclusion. And there's heading 3. And then I could start adding my information, couldn't I, within there? I could start typing it out. So again, remember if you tap on it, click bottom here, choose what you actually want. Maybe it's just text, headings. You want another page in there, so you could separate your page for your introduction. So a sub-page within that page is you build up your essay draft. To-do list again, bulleted list, toggle list, code, quote, and you've got various options going all the way down again to different columns if you want as well. So I'm going to scroll up. So I'm going to leave it on text, and then you can start writing your part of your introduction. Also, click the enter key, return key, depending on what device you're on. I've got an option here on the right as well, where we can select images. So you can actually upload images as well, or take photos to add. Also, tap back in there. We've got a little @ sign here. So this is good to mention a person, page, or date, so you can share information or link information within your pages, like cross-referencing if you like other information. So I've got all the information down here for my climate change folder. So I might go, actually, I've got 28 more results there. I'm going to add the reading and research in that page as well. So there I've got at the bottom. So I can access introduction, main body, conclusion, all the reading and research by tapping into it that I've been working on. Top left hand corner, come back out of there. I'll click the enter key again. You can go to your next option. You might want to add a comment regarding that page. And also on the right here, you can add an attachment if you want. You might have a specific attachment, a visual image. And again, you've got the option here where you can share again. So there you go, I've got my comment on the right now. And on the right here, I've got a little option. We've had a little emoji or 3 little dots. You could then tick resolve comments, edit comment, delete comment, or copy link to discussion. So that's if you're collaborating as well. So click done, top right. Tap back into it, brings a little menu at the bottom. If I scroll along, you've got your formatting options there as well. You can even trash stuff if you want as well. Now I'm going to go top left where I'm in draft and come out of there. And I can see I've got my climate change. I can click back on, it takes me straight back to the beginning. So what I'm going to do is go right down to the bottom again and select draft. Now I don't want an emoji, so I'm just going to remove that. So at the top, again, like we did earlier on the PC and Mac, online based, we can add a cover. So let's change that. I don't think we're going to find anything on let's change the colour. Just keep it simple. Just choose a solid colour there to separate it. And again, you can add your icon there if you wish as well. Probably not. I'm going to remove that icon. Click the bullet points there for me, and it takes you straight back to the beginning again, and you can see all your information you've added. If I open up climate change, scroll down, you can see where I've now added draft. And if you don't want it, click the 3 little dots, and you can trash it quickly as well. Don't forget to go top right hand corner. You've got your settings option there that you might wish to set up, and click done. And that's how easy it is to use the Notion app. Thanks for watching.